Grace Kelly, the epitome of elegance, called East Falls Estate in Pennsylvania her home. Built in 1920, this grand yet intimate estate became a sanctuary for Grace, where she could retreat from the public eye after her marriage to Prince Rainier of Monaco. A place of beauty, refinement, and timeless charm, the estate was where Grace found peace away from the spotlight. Today, we'll explore how to bring that same sense of grace and understated luxury into your own home. The entrance to East Falls was both majestic and welcoming. Grace's love for classical architecture is evident here. Large, stately columns, double doors, and abundant natural light set the tone for a space that was both sophisticated and comfortable. It's said that Grace loved the house's proximity to nature, allowing her to feel connected to the land while still maintaining a sense of grandeur. Inside, Grace embraced subtlety. Soft, neutral tones and elegant yet simple furnishings created a serene, inviting atmosphere. The interior was a harmonious blend of elegance and comfort, with an emphasis on quiet sophistication. To capture this, choose muted colors, soft textures, and classic furniture pieces that speak to timeless beauty. Grace famously avoided ostentation, opting for simplicity over excess, reflecting her own personal style. Grace's love for art and culture shaped her space. She was an avid reader and art enthusiast, which influenced the decor in her home. Incorporating vintage writing desks, bookshelves filled with cherished volumes, and framed art pieces brings a touch of sophistication and intellectual charm to any room. Grace herself often enjoyed quiet afternoons in her study, surrounded by books and her collection of art from her travels around the world. Besides reading and art, it is said that Grace loved hosting family dinners, often with close friends and relatives, creating an atmosphere that was elegant but deeply personal. Formal yet warm, the dining room at East Falls was designed for intimate gatherings. A polished wooden table, crystal chandeliers, and fine china elevated every meal into an elegant experience. To achieve this, focus on details, elegant table settings, timeless tableware, and a touch of crystal or silver to elevate the space. The bedroom at East Falls was a private sanctuary, simple, elegant, and peaceful. Grace preferred soft color palettes, delicate fabrics, and understated glamour. To capture this, opt for plush bedding, antique-style furniture, and touches of French-inspired decor. A canopy bed or upholstered headboard paired with vintage lighting creates an effortlessly sophisticated retreat. Grace's love for refinement extended to the bathroom, where classic elements created a spa-like escape. Marble countertops, freestanding bathtubs, and vintage-inspired fixtures define this look. To achieve a similar feel, incorporate soft lighting, elegant mirrors, and high-quality materials like porcelain or natural stone, transforming an ordinary bathroom into a timeless retreat. Nature was central to East Falls Estate's allure. Manicured gardens, tranquil outdoor spaces, and sweeping views created a peaceful retreat. The lush gardens were Grace's favorite place to relax, and she was often seen walking through the grounds, taking in the natural beauty that surrounded her. To evoke this, blend your outdoor and indoor spaces with greenery, floral arrangements, and natural light. A seamless connection with nature brings an element of serenity into your home. Timeless, elegant, graceful. Grace Kelly's East Falls estate was a reflection of her quiet sophistication and love for understated luxury. The home, much like the woman herself, embodied elegance without excess, offering a retreat from the world. With thoughtful design, you can bring this sense of grace into your own home.